So in this video, I want to show you guys a really easy method you can use today to start making money with PowerPoint slides and affiliate offers. So let's go. Hey guys, this is Ayub from ViralWhirl, and today I want to show you a method you can start making money with, like always. So in this method, you need two things to make it work: an affiliate offer, which I'll show you how to find, and SlideShare. Now SlideShare is basically the YouTube of PowerPoint presentations. So think of a platform just for you to upload PowerPoint presentations or slides. And what I like about this method is that you don't need a website that you rank on Google. You don't need to worry about building a website, SEO, or anything like that, because most of your traffic is coming from SlideShare and Google, because SlideShare already has the authority within Google. They have the backlinks, they have the page rank, they're a trusted source to the big G. So whatever you post on SlideShare will easily get ranked on Google within a week or two on the search results, and you'll end up getting more traffic to your slides. And the good thing is you won't only be getting traffic through Google, but through SlideShare itself, because like I said, SlideShare is a platform like YouTube. There's traffic in the platform. As long as you use keywords in your description and everything, you should be able to get ranked and for people to see your slides. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, why the hell am I making PowerPoints? Am I going back to my high school and college days? By the way, guys, fun fact, in middle school, I copied a whole slideshow for a history project that I downloaded off Google. Got a perfect A+ on that project. Anyways, guys, the reason why you're making PowerPoints is to build the value, okay? Because as you know, with selling anything on the internet or online, you need to build that value first, okay? You can't just come out of nowhere and sell to cold traffic and expect to convert. So build that value first with giving them the PowerPoint presentation, teach them how to do something, teach them about something they don't know, and then you hit them with that offer. So what you'll be doing is making 4 to 5 page slideshows, PowerPoints about a niche, whatever it is that you're doing, and I'll go over the different niches. But you make the PowerPoint, and then at the end of the PowerPoint you link to the affiliate offer landing page, which then hopefully turns into a sale. But basically that's how it works. Build a slideshow, give value in that slideshow, help them out in whatever they're searching for, and then solve their problem with that affiliate offer. Link to that affiliate offer in the end of the slideshow and in the description. So let's go to my computer screen and show you how the process goes. And by the way, guys, don't forget to like the video for all the value I've been giving out for the past week. I've really been working so hard on these videos and uploading them on a daily basis, because you've seen before, okay? It used to take me months just to make one video. So if you like this video, I would appreciate that. Okay, guys, so like I said, you need two things. So SlideShare, you need to sign up for an account. So sign up for an account with SlideShare. SlideShare is owned by LinkedIn, so I think you could just sign up to your LinkedIn account and link that. Just sign up for an account on SlideShare, and as you can see on SlideShare, these are today's top slides. This slide right here got 1 million views. So SlideShare is a really powerful platform, as you can see. It's just like YouTube, okay? It's just like YouTube. It's just like YouTube, but it's basically just for stuff like slideshows, PowerPoints, and I think you can even upload books to this, PDF books. So what you basically do, like I said, you find a problem people are having and solve it in that slide, okay? And then find an affiliate offer that can solve that problem that people are having, okay? So you're solving it by giving value in that slide, and then you're linking to an extra way that they can solve that problem through an affiliate offer. Okay, so as you can see, this is an example, okay? This is an example of what you can do. So this says simple weight loss tips, secrets, and strategies of losing and maintaining weight. It's basically just telling you about losing weight, 4 basic principles of weight loss. He's just giving value. Again, value through this. Get enough sleep. All you got to do is give them value, okay? Give them value through that PowerPoint. Teach them either by teaching them something that they didn't know, or helping them out, and then at the end you can hit them with that offer, okay? So what you do is put the offer link at the end of the slideshows, okay? So at the end of the slideshow you can put the link. You can tell them, click this link here to see other ways to lose weight or whatever it is, and then you're gonna direct them to an offer. And you can also put that link here in the description. So just like I said, this is just like YouTube. As you can see, there's everything just like YouTube. They have the views, they have the title, they have the description. As long as you can title your title that with a good keyword, a good description, you're easily going to get ranked, okay? Because a lot of people on here don't even focus on that. They're not focusing on ranking on SlideShare or ranking their SlideShare presentation within Google. And like I said, not only are you going to get views from SlideShare itself, but you're going to get them from Google. Just like I found this one right here. See right here, it's ranked within Google. I found it right here. So yeah, that's what you do. You basically make slideshows, 4 to 5 slideshows, just giving value in them. And then you link to the affiliate offer at the end and in your description. Make sure you always rank, make your title look good, SEO friendly, your description SEO friendly, just so it could rank in Google and you could get more views on your PowerPoint. And yeah, you don't want to do just one PowerPoint and sit there and wait to make money. You want to make a lot, okay? I'm talking about 5 PowerPoints a day, 20 PowerPoints a month, okay? Just so you can get that initial traffic. If you do 20 PowerPoints a month, one of them has to get ranked on Google or ranked within SlideShare, the platform, and it's going to get views and they're going to start clicking on that link. So guys, to find these affiliate offers that you're going to be promoting on the slideshows, all you got to do is go on OfferVault, okay, and search the niche that you're actually doing. So in that example where I showed you guys weight loss, I'm just going to search for weight loss. So let's see if we can find a good one. Hold on. So this is like a ketogenic diet, and you get $144 per sale. So if you make slideshows here about ketogenic, find an offer you want to promote. So let's say I want to promote this offer, and I want to make ketogenic diets. I want to just talk about ketogenic diets on those PowerPoints on SlideShare. And I'm just going to make PowerPoints on ketogenic diets. So I joined that network. This is promoted by Max Bounty, okay? This is the affiliate network. So OfferVault is just basically a search engine that finds you the offers. Once you find the offers, it's going to take you to the affiliate network that has these offers available. So let's say we actually join the network. Once you join the network, you're going to wait for them to approve you. They usually approve within 24 hours if you talk to them on Skype. And this is going to be a really good one because right here, as you can see in the landing page, it looks like it would convert well because it tells you right here, right when you get on the website, it tells you your height and it tells you your height and weight. And when you enter that, let's see, 5'11", wait. And then once you enter your email, it tells you free tote bag, okay? And once you activate that free tote bag, I'm guessing they make you apply for a diet or whatever, a diet plan, whatever this is. And then once they actually convert on that offer, you get paid $144. So imagine putting out 30 PowerPoints a month, and you don't even have to get a lot of views on these PowerPoints. You could get like 15 views on a PowerPoint, and as long as one person converts, that's $144. And most of the time, you're going to find that these people actually convert because they're searching for this stuff on Google, okay? That's how they found this PowerPoint, by searching it on Google. As you can see, lose weight. But yeah, guys, you get the point. All you got to do is give value, help people out with the PowerPoints, what they're actually searching for. If they're searching for how to lose weight with a ketogenic diet, make a PowerPoint, 5 slides, helping them out with how to lose weight with a ketogenic diet, what you need to do, what you need to eat, whatever. And then at the end, you could tell them, if you want to lose up to 7 pounds in your first 7 days with a ketogenic diet, then click right here. And you're going to direct link them to that landing page, which is this one right here. And it's going to link them. It's going to link them to this landing page, and hopefully they're going to convert. So yeah, guys, it's that easy. Remember, posting one PowerPoint is not going to do anything. You need to post a lot of PowerPoints. So think of 20 PowerPoints a month, 30 PowerPoints a month. Just do one PowerPoint presentation a day and post every day. Just like you're posting on YouTube, post one every day on SlideShare. Okay? And hopefully they start getting views. Once they start getting views, you're actually going to get free traffic. That's free traffic. That's going to click on that link and hopefully convert. You get that cold traffic at first. That's searching for this stuff, searching how to lose weight on a ketogenic diet. They stumble upon your PowerPoint. They read it. And then you turn them into warm traffic at the end of the PowerPoint or in the description of the PowerPoint. Link them to the landing page. And remember, this is just a niche that I came up with randomly, okay? You don't have to do with fitness. You don't have to do weight loss. You could think of any type of niche that you're interested in, and even if you're not interested in, okay? Just go through OfferVault. You're going to find a lot. If you're having a hard time choosing a niche to write about on the PowerPoints, just go on OfferVault first, okay? You don't have to write up a PowerPoint. You can go on OfferVault first and see what's actually going on, what people are promoting. So we see here, find a girl. Maybe you could do dating advice, okay? That's popular. That's an evergreen niche. That's always going to be popular, just like fitness. And if you don't know how to make PowerPoints, then I don't know what to say. PowerPoints are the easiest thing to make. You could make them on PowerPoint. If you don't have PowerPoint, that's fine. You could use Google Slides, same exact thing. And then you export them, save, export, and put the PowerPoint on SlideShare. Post it on there. So SlideShare is basically just like YouTube. You're getting free traffic, and you want to convert that free traffic through that affiliate offers, okay? And you could do some advanced stuff later on. You could do some advanced stuff where you send them to your own landing page and collect their email. And then once you collect their email, you could actually use those emails to actually make your own course on ketogenic diets or whatever it is that you're promoting, or make your own ebook and sell it for $7 or $8. Okay, you just got to think outside the box. Okay, guys, you got to be creative with this, and you got to add your own twists. My methods, whenever I'm posting a method on YouTube, you always got to think of a twist to add on. Okay, just because you go and take this method and do the same exact thing that I said doesn't mean it's going to work for you. Okay, you need to add your own twists and be creative with it. That's what I learned through my internet marketing journey, that just because someone is showing you what to do, step by step showing you what to do, doesn't mean it's going to work, okay? You need to add your own twist to it. Like I said, your own twist could be collecting their emails, okay? You don't have to make the sale right away. You could collect their emails and then email them a series of autoresponder emails. You could send them that affiliate offer through email. You don't have to make them buy right away, okay? So that's just a thought. Anyways, guys, if you have any questions with this, you could comment that down below, and I'll be answering all the questions in other video. And make sure you always comment down below what videos you want to see next, and I'm down to do them, okay? Are you down to see affiliate marketing videos? Are you down to see affiliate marketing with YouTube, Shopify, dropshipping, anything within that realm that I actually do, I can help you with. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this value that I'm giving out for totally free. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already, and peace out, guys.